How to recover video on XRecorder Screen Recording app. Maybe you have your video on XRecorder that you not transfer to where you want to edit it. By mistake or mistakenly you deleted that video and you want to recover that video, you can still do that if it's still within the range of some times. So to recover a deleted video on XRecording app, open the app like the one you see on the screen. Then go ahead and tap on the three dots or three lines on top of the screen. Then you see the option that says trash. Tap on trash. So when you open trash, every video you deleted here is available here. So if you delete that video and it's not up to 24 hours, you can easily restore that video. You see here guys, then tap on the video like this and hold, or tap on hold for a few seconds. You see this option that says delete and restore. Tap on restore. Once tap on restore, the video will be restored to the video timeline on the XRecorder Screen Recording app. So this is a simple process, guys, on how to restore deleted video on XRecorder Screen Recording app on Android device. If you get this tip, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.